You got to think that this is an election year. This really kind of sets the tone, Grasso, in terms of what will be an issue come election year. What will Joe Biden put forth to counter what President Trump is trying to do? Because lowering drug prices, I mean, that sells in America. Everybody wants to pay less for drugs.
I was just going to say it's a bipartisan issue. So what we've all commented on this show here and there is that with the pandemic, it seemed as though the bullseye on the back of pharma and biotech was or had been erased short term. This is a sign that it's still there. So when you see the IBB in the last couple of days drop 7.5%, that's an awakening. When you see pharma stocks drop, that's an awakening. For me, I would just play it with a muted ETF, the same way that I was playing the IBB right now. The 50-day moving average is 135.75. Wait for that to hold. It's above it right now, but it tapped it, and then it bounced above. Wait for it to hold, but there's still a bullseye on the back of all of these names on a political front.
Brian Kelly?
Yeah, I mean, I agree with Grasso in that there's a bullseye. It becomes an issue. Now it's actually both sides of the aisle this is going to be an issue for. So I think these stocks are challenged. I actually think it goes to what would happen to the stock that finds the vaccine. Are they going to be able to charge any price? So I think for those playing biotech or any of those names, thinking, making the bet that one of those companies is going to come out and get the vaccine and be able to charge a high price, I don't think that's going to happen, whereas I think it's probably better if you get a vaccine to just buy the broad market or cyclicals rather than biotech. So I don't think you're going to be able to charge what you need to.